In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play She Belongs to Me by Bob Dylan. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Well, as many of you know by now, I'm a big Bob Dylan fan, and not just because my name is Dillon, Jimmy Dillon. This song is an early Bob Dylan. I was just checking it out the other day. One of the things I like about Bob Dylan is a lot of the classic songs that he's written over the years. If you go on YouTube, you can see him played a number of different ways. He seems to like to change it up a lot. And I had the good fortune to do a gig with Bob when I was touring with Clarence Clemens. We did a whole night together, and he is very unpredictable. You never know what he's going to do yet. He actually played my guitar that night. He didn't even bring a guitar, so at rehearsal he borrowed my Strat. But that's another story. This is She Belongs to Me, and it's capoed on the 3rd fret, so I'm going to call out the chords as they go. There's only 4 chords. A G, C with that high G, C, G. Okay, so that's actually only 3 chords. So it starts out with this little lick. So I'm using that first finger to play a really typical Dylan style. He had this way of just kind of free flow with the right hand. She's got it. So on this one, I'm keeping the pinky on this note here, 3rd fret, a part of the G chord, and then I keep that there for the C chord. Everything she needs. So it goes. She's got everything she needs to C with the high G. She's got it. She don't look back. And then it goes to the C. She's got everything she needs. She's an she down. Back to G. Look back. Then it goes to an A. Take the Saturday tonight time. And C. Paint the daytime. Back to G. We start out standing. C. C. It's not outstanding. Proud to steal everything. Back to G. Going up to the A. Ready? C. Down the Okay, so that is She Belongs to Me. It's a 3-chord wonder, it turns out. So we're going to put that in our list of 3-chord wonders.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
The important part about this, I think, is the alteration on that, you can do this G, which I'm fond of. I use that in a lot of different ways. So I've got my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Pinky's under there. Now, if you do this, it's a little more difficult because you have to go. So I wouldn't bother really. I would just keep it right at. It's a different sound. I like this just as well. So that's really the bones of the song. And, you know, if you're going to do the song with one or two guitars, it's great. It's a great, you know, kind of one of those classic Dillon moments. She wears an Egyptian ring. I do there, you'll notice I'm doing a couple of moves on the A. I tend to do that with my pinky. And Dillon does it too, just pulling off that B string. And on the C. It's real common. I'm hammering on the D string. So you'll see that besides the that little move on the A, and the C. And what that really is little interior melodies that happen. So that's the Bob Dylan song for the day. And by the way, I'm thinking about doing a really cool like Bob Dylan masterclass sort of deal. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it very much, and I'd love to hear from you. So hit me up, and I'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.